Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Resetting your Fender Mustang I amplifier returns all settings to the original factory defaults. This process is very helpful if your presets become disorganized. It also fixes many common software glitches. You should know that a factory reset erases all of your custom saved tones. Make sure you back up any sounds you want to keep before starting. First, locate the power switch on the back of the unit. Ensure the amplifier is completely turned off. Next, find the exit button on the top control panel. Press and hold this exit button down firmly. While you are still holding the exit button, flip the power switch to the on position. You must continue to hold the exit button for several seconds. Watch the exit button light closely during this time. It will begin to flash rapidly. Keep holding the button until the light stops blinking and stays solid. Once the light remains steady, you can release the exit button. Your amplifier has now been successfully reset to its original state. All the factory presets are restored to their initial positions. The volume and gain settings will also return to their default levels. This simple procedure takes less than 1 minute to complete. It is a great way to start fresh with your guitar tones. You can now begin building new presets from scratch. If the amp still has issues, you might need a firmware update. Most users find that a quick reset solves their basic problems. Your Fender Mustang I is now ready for your next practice session or recording project. Enjoy your newly restored gear.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.